Okay, come over here, Carmela. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, it's awesome. Okay, take a carrot out of here. Take a carrot out. Okay. Put it in your hand how I showed you. Just take one. They're all the same size. Give it to him. You're teasing him. Pick it up and give it to him. Give it to him. Put it in your hand, Pa. There you go.
I did it! I'm going to do it again.
Okay.
They're not paying attention to you.
Here. Hold it like this. Papi, hold it like this.
Let me do it like this.
They don't care about your fingers. They just want the carrot.
Yay!
All right, let's go find the other ones.